Hello and welcome to Carrot Town Garage. This is our video review of our 1982 Chevrolet Corvette C3. She's just come into us, been in the UK for quite a long time. This car been really well looked after. The last owner has had the car for over 10 years and has spent lots and lots of money on it, making sure the car is absolutely spot on, and she runs superb. Being an 82, this would have been a fuel injection car. However, the fuel injection system's all been removed and been replaced with an Edelbrock carburetor on there. Still got the electric fuel pump, and just turn the key, boom, away you go, drive anywhere. She's got the side pipes on there as well, so of course she sounds absolutely awesome. But I honestly can't comment the amount of money that's been spent on this car. It's just had everything done. It just drives superb. I picked the car up in Manchester and drove it all the way back here to March in Cambridgeshire, which was about 100 and something miles, so it runs lovely, and it's pretty good on fuel as well, which is always a bonus. Anyway, look, I'm going to stop waffling. Let's have a look around the car and check her out. So here we are. Like I said, this car has been very well looked after, finished in red. She has been somebody's pride and joy. We've got the alloys on there with the spinners caps on there, and red highlights in the wheels. Coming along the passenger side, we've got a Corvette badge down the bottom there, side pipes, the Patriot side pipes. I really like these pipes. They're not too loud. They're basically like a giant muffler underneath that steel frame, steel mesh, so they don't sound too bad. The hooker headers ones, which are complete header units, are just too loud. They really are horrendous. We fitted a set to a car without baffles in, and it was, oh my goodness, I've never heard anything so loud. Anyway, back to the car. So here we are, rear wheel there, spinners on there. All the paintwork's really good. Panel gaps are good as well, always a good sign. Coming around the back of the car. She is MOT and tax exempt, or should be shortly, I think, if I remember rightly. I think it's from April the 1st. I need to double check though. But she has got an MOT on her. Rear wheel there. Nice deep shine in the paint. Look at the shine on that. Look at that lovely red paint. And the front wheel there. And coming round to the front. I like these later cars. I do like the look of them, I have to be honest. I think they are superb. I did our village carnival in this car the other week, actually, funnily enough. Pottering along very slowly. She's got dual cooling fans as well, so actually it was ideal for the village carnival, because obviously going very slow. All new door rubbers on there, look at those. She also has the mirrored glass T-tops as well. Custom black and red interior, with red steering wheel, white dials, as you can see on there. Automatic. All the carpets look amazing. They look like they're brand new. She's got, look, like brand new carpets fitted to her. Corvette on the kick plates. Then in the back, there we go, we've got the sound system in there. Driver's door card, all really nice. Carrot Town sticker on there. The guy was a fan of Carrot Town, hence why we ended up with the car. Like I say, you'll struggle to find a better one. She really is just a lovely, lovely car. Right, let's go and check out under the bonnet. There we are. That lovely 5.7 litre, 350 cubic inch V8. Like I say, she's got the Edelbrock carb on there. Not overly keen on the Edelbrock air filter. Not a big fan of those. I prefer the big round filters. Obviously a modified distributor, so she's got a distributor on there with a coil. So normally on a Corvette, you'd have an electronic ignition system, which obviously, because this has been converted, that's been removed. But you can see there all the shock absorbers, towers and everything else all new. We'll come round, have a look at the other side. Now let's go and start her up. This is the best bit because this car sounds awesome. And there you have it. That's our video review of our 1982 Chevrolet Corvette C3, finished in red, always a good colour. Wrote a song about it. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart and our website is www.carrotttowngarage.co.uk. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and other social media platforms, and also don't forget to check out our merchandise in our shop. Thanks very much for watching and have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.